little like stuff that I pay like $5 for maybe possibly more than $5. We won't go there. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello. I know you're probably like, why do I not see your face? But the next video after this will be a chemical peel video, and you will see my face in that video. I know this is going to be super awkward, but this will be like a really quick video, so don't click off. Don't be upset because you can't see my face, because if you did see my face, you would still click off. But yeah, that next video on Thursday will show you guys like my chemical peel results. Right now, I just look super crazy, and I forgot to record this before my face started looking crazy. But anyway, so what I want to show you guys is, I know I said I was going to do like a closet clean out video or whatever. This is like, y'all, I have so much stuff. So if you notice, I've sold like everything in my house. Like, so I sold my couch, my table, my pictures. Only thing I haven't sold yet is like my TVs, but like this is stuff I want to keep. So what I'm thinking is, I really want my theme to be like, ignore the fact that it's so messy, you know, I'm moving or whatever, but my theme, I really want it to be like all white, super modern. I don't know, leave me some comments down below, because I'm like, should I do modern or should I do more like comfy with like cream plants? I don't know. Leave me some suggestions down below on how I should decorate. But so like this is like, let me move this out the way. This is like the stuff I want to keep. So I have like this that was in my room. I have these that were here in the whatever this is, like living room area. And then I have this like vanity that I think I want to keep. Obviously, I don't know. I'm getting my car shipped just because I don't want to drive. When I used to drive back and forth from like Raleigh and stuff, it was driving me crazy. So yeah, it wouldn't matter where I was going to school. My car was getting shipped unless I was going like 4 hours away. But let me stop like just walking in circles and show you guys what everything is that I have in this room, in the bedroom, in the bathroom. This stuff from my bathroom video. If you guys haven't saw that video, I will link it up above. It's like the bathroom declutter video. So I have this stuff. This stuff is going to like Salvation Army, Goodwill, whatever. There's like just stuff everywhere. Obviously that just needs to be put up. That's like my stuff I want. This is all stuff that is going to Plato's Closet. I called Plato's Closet. They said they are still accepting things. So everything right here is going to Plato's Closet. Like, I have so much stuff in this pile that I have not even wore. Like, a lot of this stuff still has tags on it. Like, for example, this little skirt here, tags. I've never wore that. I've never wore this. I think I wore those once. All these shoes and stuff. So all this is going to Plato's. Everything right here is going to Plato's. This stuff over there is that stuff I still haven't unpacked from my last trip, so just ignore that. This is from my like trunk in my car. That stuff I think some of that is Salvation Army, some of that is Plato's. I need to figure that out. Let me take you in this room. Do not judge my room, because like I said, I have been selling stuff in here too, so it looks like super crazy. But because somebody like came and bought my dressers, and I had to literally just throw everything out of the dressers because I was not expecting to sell the dresser at that time. So my dresser and my nightstand is gone. My headboard is also gone because they came to buy something else, and then they were like, oh, I want the headboard too. So we literally pulled the headboard from behind the bed, and that completely ruined my entire bed. And then I'm washing my sheets again. So yeah, that's why the sheets aren't on the bed. I need to go through my makeup too, because I think I'm gonna take the makeup to the shelters, like the women's shelters. Probably all that stuff over there. Most of that stuff is stuff that has just been washed, I want to say. I don't know. This is so crazy. So most of that stuff I'm probably keeping, besides like some of the towels. Probably going to donate those towels to Goodwill. These baskets here, I'm selling these. I have them on Facebook Marketplace. FYI, I know you guys cannot see my face, but listen to me. When I say this, Facebook Marketplace is a way to make so much money. Like, I'm selling this today. I'm selling these today. I sold, like, y'all, like, you know, you have like little like knickknacks and stuff, like stuff like this. I sold like all my little pictures like that. Ignore that counter, obviously. Like, I had like those little mirrors like over here. I sold those. Like every little thing that, like, I had those mirrors over there. I sold that. I had those little spike things right there, if you guys remember. Sold those. I sold like the little stuff that I paid like $5 for maybe possibly more than $5. We won't go there. But yeah, like Facebook Marketplace is a place to make money. Plato's Closet, Clothes Mentor. Try to sell as much stuff as you can. You're probably like, why do you have your clothes on the floor? But my closet is so small, y'all. Like, let me show you the closet. This was the size of my closet. And low-key, there were 2 people living here. So yeah. So I pretty much went through everything in here. This is stuff I want. I just haven't, I don't know if I want this. Probably not. But I can't donate that right now. Well, I mean, I can't give that to like Plato's Closet right now just because they're only taking summer stuff. So probably will donate it. These are like all the shoes and like my Uggs. And this is like stuff I'm not giving away. That's stuff I want. I need to go through all this stuff. This is my nephew's stuff. Some of my sister's stuff is in there too. I don't even know what this is. I'm probably going to sell my old laptops too. I have like 2 old laptops, probably selling those. This is Salvation Army. This is Salvation Army. This is some of the stuff I'm taking with me besides, here's that turbo thing again, or turbo thing. So this stuff here I'm taking with me. I want to say, y'all see how I'm like already out of breath? This shows y'all how much I do not work out. This is stuff that I'm taking with me, like the bathroom stuff that I said I wanted. So yeah, pretty much I need to go through my makeup. I need to go through the rest of my clothes. I need to take all this stuff to Plato's Closet right now. I also have like an old purse, like a Tory Burch purse that I'm selling, and a wallet that I'm meeting someone to sell that today. Yeah, y'all, like, just try to make as much money as you can before you move. Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, what else? There's another site, Let Go, like all that different type of stuff. Even this stuff on my balcony, like, let me show y'all. I know y'all are probably like, stop talking and not showing your face, but I promise y'all I look so crazy. But like this little chair I had, somebody wants to buy that. I'm gonna put this stuff on there and tell them just like, hey, you have to repaint it. Like, people will really buy anything. So that's like some little moving tips. Try to sell as much as you can. Donate as much as you can too. Don't be like, you know, all about money. Donate, women's shelters, men's shelters, whatever. Try to help people out. But this stuff that's like brand new, barely worn, it's getting sold. So yeah, that's like pretty much for this video, y'all. This is just like me showing you guys the progress I'm making with moving. When you guys see this video, it will be Sunday. I am moving in like 3 or 4 days. Granted, I will still have this apartment though until September, so I'm coming back like 2 more times. But yeah, this is my current progress. It looks messy, but like, I think I'm making pretty good progress. So yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. That's pretty much it for this video. Bye, y'all.